There's one thing that I keep on forgetting to get. Oh, what a mess. Oh, these are done. Could put these. Nope, they're not. Oh. Keep forgetting to bring. Oh, I gotta bring that in too. What I gotta do today is I am taking out the rest of this carpet, including in here, which, as you see, this is where I cut all my cuts for the floor I already installed. And yes, it's gonna be a busy day today. Alright, let's see what I got. I need it all. There we go.
We can say it's well, bigger.
Help make a child's wish come true. Now through December 24th.
Ooh, that's right. Gotta remember I want to put this. Perfect. You know, why am I using this? Perfect. This is on wheels that make sense. This will not tip over by any means. It's balanced. It's not top heavy. Yeah, why am I using a broom when I have a shop vac? Snap, that was a tough one. So instead of having the stuff on the floor, just keep what I need on top, and then I'm good to go. Wow, that thing is awesome. I love that vacuum. Looks really good. So, I was taking out the carpet in here and I found a door. I wonder what is in there. Oh. Let's go get a flashlight. Let's have a look. Oh, let's see. Let's see what we can see. Yeah, that's the crawl space underneath the house. I haven't been under there yet. Why would they make a door to go under there from the inside? I am not gonna have that shit open like that. We are gonna seal the heck out of that frickin' door. Oh yes we are. Oh, we're not done there. Oh, we are not done there. Yeah, that shit ain't coming out. That's more solid than everything else now. God, I love those things. I love this shop vac. This purchase was a good one. Tabletop. Alright, so I got my tasks done for today. It's getting a little dark outside. And I still have to clean up a little bit, but what I did so far is this. I took out all the carpet, the remaining carpet in the house. It smells so much better in here. It truly does. It smells fantastic. And I'm still right now. What I'm doing is it's a little. There we go. I'm cleaning this up. Put this sound bar up. I might do that now because this is gonna sit just like that. Now remember, everything in this house used to be this. Everything, and it is a lot better. Now I bought all these tools myself, but I want to thank Ryobi for making such great products that makes my work easier. It makes it a lot easier on me, and so I'm very grateful that Ryobi is throwing their money into their tools to get a good design with decent power at a good price. So I love it. Ryobi's having a sale right now over at Home Depot. Check out the Home Depot website. It's awesome. That's how I got a lot of my tools recently, because you get free tools with certain purchases, and they're good tools. I love it.